Welcome to the first edition of On This Day Today, a decade ago. Something happened on this exact date in the tech world 10 years ago, and a lot of us don't even know about it, while some would love to relive it. On the 24th of October 2013, AMD Radeon R9 290X was launched. Built on the 28nm process and based on the Hawaii graphics processor, in its Hawaii XT variant, the card supports DirectX 12. The DirectX 12 ensures that all modern games will run on the Radeon R9 290X. Now, going to the architecture of this Radeon R9 290X, what makes it so special? The Radeon R9 290X is a large chip with a die area of 438 mm square and 6,200 million transistors. It features 2,816 shading units. Shading units are small processors within the graphics responsible for processing different aspects of the image. It also has 176 texture mapping units and 64 ROPs. ROPs mean render output units, also known as raster operations pipeline. ROP is a specific component on a GPU that is responsible for the processing of final pixel values prior to drawing them on the screen. The Radeon R9 290X has a 512-bit memory interface with 4GB GDDR5 graphics double data rate 5. The double data rate interface is designed for use in graphics card, game consoles, and high-performance computing. This GPU operates at a frequency of 1000 MHz, running at 1250 MHz, that is 5 GB per second effective, with a bandwidth of 320 GB per second. Its display outputs include 2 times DVI, 1 times HDMI, 1 times HDMI 1.4a, 1 times DisplayPort 1.2. It is connected to the rest of the system using a PCI Express 3.0 by 16 interface. The card's dimensions are 275 mm by 109 mm by 36 mm, and it features a dual slot cooling solution. Going into the performance, the Radeon R9 290X was categorized as an enthusiast. It was believed to be capable of running 97% of the top 11,000 PC games during its existence, could run 81% of these games at recommended or best experience levels. Depending on game and settings, the performance of the Radeon R9 290X is similar to the NVIDIA GeForce GTX Titan. Even the fastest mobile GPUs like GeForce GTX 780M are outperformed by about 50%. Demanding games like Metro Last Light can be played fluently in 2560 by 1600 pixels and maximum settings. In some cases, even the Ultra HD resolution of 3840 by 2160 4K is possible. Then going down to the power consumption, the AMD Radeon R9 290X, being a dual slot card, draws power from 1 times 6 pin plus 1 times 8 pin power connector. Thanks to dynamic clock adjustments and the zero core technology, the R9 290X is very energy efficient while idle. Under load, the card is rated at 250 watts. So this is all about the AMD Radeon R9 290X made exactly 10 years ago. See you in another edition of On This Day Today 10 years ago. Goodbye.